Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's depending on the time of day you are watching this video. My name is Samua County. Today you are watching me live from Nakuru County, county number 032, county of unlimited opportunity. Nakuru County is just the neighboring county to Nairobi. From here to Nairobi is just approximation 159 kilometer. And today is on a Thursday. The temperature here is 18 degrees Celsius, and I will be showing you various projects the government of Kenya is doing here in this beautiful county of Nakuru, from affordable housing, from construction of stadiums, construction of schools, construction of roads, construction of houses. That means affordable housing. I will be showing you project to project. Let's start right away. As I promised you earlier, I will start with Nakuru Stadium. That is Nakuru Afra Stadium. This project has been done by the national government together in partnership with the county government of Nakuru. The first phase of the construction has been completed, so we are waiting for the second phase to start anytime. Meanwhile, let me show you how the stadium look like. Just have a look. These are the running track, as you can see. Now our athletic can come here and train. As you can see, even there are some people in the main football pitch. They are being coached there with their coach there. The stadium is well constructed, as you can see. We have even the floodlights during the night. There is no worry. Just have a look. That is the main arena, the main dais. As you can see, there are some people chilling there. They are browsing. They are just relaxing. They are just enjoying the moment here in the Afra Stadium. So you guys, when I say Kume Bila break, now you know what I mean. You just have a look. This is just the first phase. What about now the second phase? How will it look like? From Nakuru County, my name is Samua County. God bless Nakuru County. God bless Kenya.